Hi guys, today we're going to be talking about and reviewing how to turn a percent into its equivalent fraction or decimal, or how to turn a fraction into its equivalent percent or decimal, or how to turn a decimal into its equivalent fraction or percent. Okay, so this is something that we actually did back in December of this past year, but we're going to be reviewing it today. So you can see here that the percent that we're given is 4%, and we're going to go ahead and fill in the fraction and decimal pieces for 4%. Okay, so I know that a percent is a number out of 100. So my fraction then is going to be 4. Fraction is going to be 4 out of 100. Okay. Now, looking at that fraction, I noticed that this fraction can be reduced, okay, because my numerator right here and my denominator can be divided by the same number greater than 1, okay? So I noticed that they can be divided by 2. Okay, so then my simplified fraction here, 4 divided by 2 is 2. 100 divided by 2 is 50. Okay, I'm going to ask myself the same question. Is there a number greater than 1 that can fit into both 2 and 50? And actually, yeah, there is. 2 again. 2 goes into itself once. 2 goes into 50 25 times. Okay, so my most simple form of 4% is 1 over 25. Okay, but all of these fractions, 1 over 25, 2 over 50, 4 over 100, they are all equal to each other, and they are also all equal to 4%. Equal. Okay, all right, then we're going to go decimal. So some of you might remember that if you have a percent and you want to turn it to a decimal, you can basically take your percent sign, pretend that it is a decimal, and then move it 2 spaces to the left, and this would give you 0.04%, okay? Or you can say to yourself, right, if you have a calculator, which you are going to need a calculator for today's lesson, so go ahead and grab one if you don't have one. You can take any of your fractions, right? You could take this fraction and type into your calculator numerator 4 divided by denominator 100. That's going to give you 0.04. Or you could take this fraction, numerator 1 divided by denominator 25. That's going to give you 0.04. Or you can take even this fraction, numerator 2 divided by denominator 50, and that's also going to give you this 0.04%, okay? So now we know that 4% here is equal to this fraction, this fraction, this fraction, and this decimal, okay? So you try the next few problems on your own. Good luck.